Hey everyone, welcome to week 7. Woohoo! Happy May. Today's assignments are all due Friday, May 8th by 3 p.m. Nothing new there. We still have our live teacher lesson from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So make sure you click that link, hop on with us. And then there's a help session from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So today's assignments, I know this looks like a lot, but I'm going to go through and explain what you actually are required to do and then what is optional. So step 1, congratulations, you're already doing it. You're watching this intro video. Step 2 is to do the summative review. They're labeled in your Google Classroom as required summative review slides. So make sure you do all of those and insert a picture of your work where it asks. And then notice it says video key. So we decided instead of attaching a picture of the key, we want you to watch the video explaining every single question. That way if you got something incorrect, you know why. And this way we know you're making sure you got the correct answer. From there, step 3 is to do at least 2 practice options. So this big chart here, all of this are your options. You have to pick at least 2 to do. So what we suggested was, notice there's a column that says slide number from review, okay? And then it has a bunch of numbers going down the column. So based on your summative review slides, topics that you do not feel comfortable with, we want you to practice. So let's say I got slide number 3 incorrect. I don't feel good about it. I'm going to go down to where it says 3 down here, and I'm going to practice with experimental probability. And that would be doing a quizzes. So make sure if you do a quizzes or an IXL or a Khan Academy, you're screenshotting your score and uploading a picture of that into Google Classroom. If they're already Google Slides for you, like simulations, then they're already attached. Just make sure you insert your work. So remember, you only need to do 2, but if you feel that you need to do more, feel free. We will be posting the summative assessment, your final test of the year. Woo woo. We'll post that at 12 p.m. So look for that to pop up at noon in your Google Classroom. So whenever you get started, know that your test is not coming your way until 12 p.m. And then also don't forget, you have to do your iReady for this week. Please upload a picture of either your score or your time. So a couple things you need to do. Look for that summative assessment around noon. Don't forget, you can use a calculator for this unit. And please join us for our live and help sessions today. Hope to see you there. Good luck.